STEM education program at DRI. We create research-informed green boxes that contain hands-on activities that will spark your child's curiosity. Today we're going to be doing an activity from our Solar Homes green box. Please watch the video alone and then complete the activity with your child. Today's lesson will allow your child to understand cause and effect and express themselves creatively. The materials for this activity is a black piece of construction paper and then items that you find around your house like toys and tools or items outside like rocks and leaves. The vocabulary for this lesson is energy, solar energy, renewable resource, and renewable energy. Start the conversation with your child by explaining the type of technology used to make solar energy is solar panels. The job of solar panels is to convert sunlight directly into energy. And now that you have the materials and the vocabulary for this lesson, let's get into it. Inform your child that they're going to be creating art using the sun. Go on a scavenger hunt for nature items or toys that are around your house that you don't mind sitting out in the sun for a while. Ask your child to arrange the items that they've collected during the scavenger hunt on a piece of paper that will sit in the sun for a couple of hours. Here are some questions you can ask to make sure that your sun print is in an ideal location to get the result that you want. Now let's head outside. Now that you have put your items out in the sun, have your child make predictions about what will happen at different time intervals. Set a timer for 30 minutes and then check on your artwork. You can do that for the next 2 hours to see how your results change. Once your timer goes off, go outside and check on your art. Ask questions like, what do you notice? Is your art still in the sun? And should we set another timer? Continue this last step every 30 minutes until your child decides that their artwork is finished and they can bring it inside. Once your child has decided that their artwork has been out in the sun long enough, have them bring it inside and explain what they see. The artwork will show that the places where the objects covered the paper is a different color. You can inform your child that they have created a sun print. We hope you've enjoyed this video. After your child makes their sun print, let us see them by sharing it with us on our Instagram. We would also appreciate your feedback by completing the survey linked below after doing the activity with your child. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you next time. Bye!